In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement regarding aerosols. Option A, they alter rainfall and monsoon patterns. Now, this is true. Aerosols can indeed influence weather and climate by affecting cloud formation, and this alters rainfall and monsoon patterns as well. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, they cause increased agricultural productivity. Now, this is wrong regarding aerosol because aerosols have a negative impact on agricultural productivity because the global sunlight is diminished, and the deposition of harmful pollutants on the crops further reduces the agricultural productivity. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, they have negative impact on agricultural land. This is true because aerosols can settle on soil, leading to soil contamination and reduced fertility. Thus, it has negative effect on agricultural land. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, they are harmful to human health. This is also true because aerosols contain fine particulate matter that can enter or penetrate deep into the lungs as well as the bloodstream, causing respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Hence, it is also incorrect option.